Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the Binance mobile app registration process, and explain each step clearly, so even beginners can follow along easily. To begin, let's go over the steps to register for Binance. Start by installing the Binance application on your smartphone. Once the installation is finished, launch the Binance application on your phone. To start the registration process, select the Sign Up button. You can sign up for Binance by using an email address or a mobile number. After that, check the agreement box at the bottom, then tap Continue. A confirmation code will be delivered to the email address or phone number you selected. Enter the verification code you received. Now, set up a secure password for your account. The password should contain a minimum of 8 characters, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. Once this process is finished, the referral registration page will appear. Be sure to choose the Yes option. After selecting it, you can input a referral ID. Enter the referral code SKY333 to receive benefits. This code gives you a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with additional bonus rewards. I strongly suggest applying this referral code before completing the sign-up process. Next, I'll walk you through the process of completing KYC verification. To access deposit, trading, and withdrawal functions on Binance, you must complete identity verification. Begin by selecting your country of citizenship. Then, pick the identification document you will use for the verification process. You'll see several document options here. However, many users commonly choose a passport for verification. To proceed with identity confirmation, tap the Take Pictures option. Position your passport so it fits clearly inside the camera frame. After aligning it properly, capture a photo of the passport's information page. Once the document upload is complete, move on to the facial verification step. Carefully follow the instructions displayed on the screen. You will be asked to nod your head and blink your eyes during the process. After completing these steps, your identity verification application will be sent for review. The review typically takes around 1 hour. After your verification is approved, your verification status will be updated to verified. Next, I'll show you how to configure Google Authenticator for added security. Return to the main home screen. Tap the Binance logo located in the upper left corner. Then, select the arrow icon in the top right corner. Select Security. Tap Authenticator app. Then tap Enable. Complete the email or phone verification. After that, the Authenticator configuration page will appear. Begin by copying the 16-digit key shown on the screen. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Once installed, open it. Tap the button in the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. In the code name field, type in Binance. For the key section, paste the 16-digit code you copied earlier. Then tap Add. A 6-digit code for Binance will be generated. Copy this 6-digit code, and tap Next in the Binance app. Paste the generated code into the Authenticator app code input box. After this step is done, the Authenticator app setup will be complete. In this video, I walked you through the process of registering on Binance via the mobile app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. I'll return soon with more informative and helpful content.